Hey guys, welcome to Mishi Blue Tarot. Welcome to my channel. This is Neela and I welcome you all here. So today I'm back for all of you with another reading. I have a feeling this is going to be interesting today. I have used a lot of oracle cards and I'll be pulling out tarot cards to see more. So this is going to be what does the universe want to say to you right now? What are the messages that want to come to you? See, this particular reading is very generic. Even if you are a person who's just randomly landed up here, please listen to it, because it's not necessary that you have to believe in tarot to listen to it, because I try to simplify the messages as much as possible so that anyone and everyone can understand it. So I have already picked a couple of oracle cards today. I wasn't using too many decks in the past, but now I am, because I want to have like a lot of messages which can be knit up together and you can get your answers. So here we are. What does the universe want to say to you? So you can see you have three options. Pile number one is going to be this labradorite flower. Number two is going to be the angelite. Okay. And the third one is going to be the peach moonstone. Here. Alright, so you can pause the video, think about your situation in general, alright? Whatever it is, I'm not going to be looking at love specific messages, because a lot of you have commented that mostly my readings are around relationships. See, we're reading energies, so whatever comes out, I tell you. If it is career related, that also I say. If it is not, that also I say. Alright, so you can pause the video, go ahead and pick your piles. I'll pause for 2 seconds. Alright, so we'll start with the labradorite first. So give me a minute. Okay, so here we are, labradorite. So let's see what does the universe want to say to you right now. Okay, so I have a couple of cards, as you can see today, so we'll look at it one by one. The first one is Ride the Wave, Solitude, Fall in love with your own story, Begin to explore, Look forward. Okay, excellent message. Just give me a minute, I'll stitch this together for you. Okay, so right off the bat, this pile, whoever chose pile number one, you are on the verge of some kind of a change, some sort of a, I would say some kind of a decision, or this could just be that you are bored of something and now I think there is an opportunity around the corner which requires you to take a leap. It's like a wave, okay? Ride the wave. It requires you to be a little adventurous. Now, you've kind of been in a very comfortable spot for a really long time, but now it's up to you if you want to do this or not. It's a call that you need to take. I'm also seeing that instead of feeling scared here, you should look forward. Okay, You should look at the brighter side of things, okay? Because your story is special. Fall in love with your own story, okay? And this is card number 9. So this basically gives me a vibe of the 9 of Swords for some reason. It's basically here telling me that you should not be scared of taking risks at this point, because you have to explore. Now, you've reached a part in your life right now, or a part of, or whatever you want to put it across, like, you know, you are on a journey where at this point you are supposed to take this risk, okay? You are to look forward, and I see that you have support. You're not alone here in this wave. There is support here. There is motivation here for you. So begin to explore, look forward, okay? Maybe maybe this whole condition here takes you back to your past, where probably you took a risk and it didn't work in your favor. So that thing still somehow blackmails you. So that energy also I can see, but you shouldn't be shortchanging yourself because of that, okay? Because this is a risk worth taking, okay? Because for a lot of you, if you're going through tough times also, it's going to end and you're going to learn a lot from this whole phase. And later on, when you look back at it, you will fall in love with this whole journey, okay? That is what I'm seeing. So begin to explore this whole thing. Begin to, don't restrict your vision is what I'm getting. Okay, don't restrict your vision. So let's see, what is this wave for you? Okay. Ace of Pentacles. Yes, this is taking you towards stability and a new beginning in life. So don't be scared at this point. 6 of Wands, and you will win this, okay? You will be able to ride this wave and you will win it, okay? This is an assurance from the universe at this point, okay? I'm also seeing that once you've crossed that line, or once you've just kind of gone in that direction, I feel that you will reach a point of calmness and you would want to explore something. Now let's see, what are you going to explore? Let me pick some more cards. The High Priestess. So yes, this could be a person, okay? Or this could in general be your own intuition being heightened at that point, okay? I am also seeing that somewhere you already know that you're supposed to do this. Maybe you just did not all this while for some reason. Okay, let me pick one more card for you. What does the universe want to say to you? 7 of Swords. So yes, there is no point, there is no escape from this. That's the message. This is not like you're hiding or anything. There is no escape. This will happen. All right, and I'm not seeing that it is going to shatter you. There is no tower here. There is no fear here. Okay, you just need to ride this wave, and it is only going to take you to another place, which is not going to be bad. It will be something good for you. Okay, let's see, what else does the universe want to say to you? So here all the cards, pile number 1, I'm so happy to do this reading for you today. All the cards are positive. Okay, let's see. What does the universe want to say to you? Six of Chalices. So yes, you have support. Okay, you have support. You can feel happy. Pile number 1, if people who've chosen this pile, you doubt that if happiness can ever come in your life, then it's not worth doubting at this point. You don't need to doubt that feeling. You deserve to be happy and you will be happy. Okay? Three of Wands. Okay. So here I'm seeing that have some patience, because see, I already feel that you know where you are going and what you're doing, okay? But the point is, this whole thing can be a little overwhelming for you at this stage. So relax and take small steps, okay? You can move in the direction of doing this, but take small steps, work towards it, okay? 1 second. Take it easy on yourself. That's what I'm picking up. What else? What is... Okay, I want to check what is this wave about. What is it about? So, this is something to do with a massive change in your life. Something that can literally change the way you thought at a particular time. It is actually shaking everything around you. Okay, maybe that's the reason why you're scared. Maybe that's the reason you feel that, oh my god, I can't do this. Maybe that's why you are taking your time. What is this? Okay, the High Priestess is repeated twice. So maybe this is to do with a very deep decision. Okay, where I think only you are confident and the others are not. Maybe you are the only one with you at this point. You feel alone, basically. Okay, but yes, your intuition is guiding you very strongly. So that is the major help that you have at this point. Okay, that is what I am seeing for you here. Alright, so now let's see. What should you do? Is there something that you need to know about this situation? This is the Ace of Cups. Okay. And this is the Lovers. Decide to do what your emotions are asking you to do. Follow your emotions, guys, pile number 1. At this stage, I think you could be feeling very emotional about something, but it's not wrong. Your emotions are not wrong here. Let me see what else. Empress. So yes, a very strong energy of just knowing or wanting to do something that is very close to you emotionally. Okay, so it's not, I mean, this reading is an assurance to you that don't get disheartened, don't get put down upon by anything at this point. Okay, it's happening for your highest good. And the other thing that I am seeing here is that you might feel a little aloof from the world at this point because maybe people don't understand you that much. Maybe it is to do with your decision, the decision that you're taking, everyone is not going to understand. Okay, but you don't have to make everyone understand. That's the whole point. Alright, what else? The Hierophant. You are your own book. That's the word that I'm hearing. You are your own book. You are the one who is guiding you. So listen to that, because High Priestess twice and now the Hierophant. So I'm seeing that this is to do with believing in something and working towards it. So your belief is something that only you would understand. So go ahead and do that. Okay, you don't need anyone's approval. You don't have to ask for anybody's approval here, because you just need to follow what your heart is telling you, because it is not taking you in the wrong direction. That's what I am picking up. All right. Okay, so that's what I have for pile number 1. Let me know if this resonated with you, because it's a very specific message that I've picked up. So let me know in the comments if this resonated. Also, private readings are open. You can reach out to me. The other thing is, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Mishi Blue Tarot Official. I do daily 3-card readings over there. Plus, I have some merchandise over there for sale, so you can have a look at that. Take care and bye. Okay. So now let's move to pile number 2, which is the whoever chose this beautiful angelite crystal. Okay, so let's see what is your what does the universe want to say to you right now. Okay. All right, so let's see, what does this angelite have for you today? Okay, so I picked up a couple of oracle cards already, so we'll look at it one by one. Okay, the first card is Moonlight. Wow. Decision, choice, opportunity, selection. You are magic. Okay. Oh, I have 3 cards here. Admit your vulnerabilities. Engage for a higher reason. Think things through. Okay. Alright, so pile number 2, whoever chose the angelite pile, I am seeing that you're in the midst of a lot of thinking right now, okay? And I'm actually seeing you engage in a lot of deep thinking, alright? There is an impending decision that is there in your life, okay? And this could be a life-changing thing for you. Someone has also tickled your vulnerable side, or something has tickled your vulnerable side, and you feel vulnerable right now. Okay, but that's okay. That's not a problem. Okay, let me look at this Moonlight card. You're waiting for something, definitely, which is halfway through, alright? You feel a sense of loneliness also sometimes, okay? Tell me let me know in the comments. You feel a sense of loneliness. Probably you think that, you don't want to share this with anyone at this point, or whatever the situation is. We'll see through the tarot cards what this situation is exactly, okay? I'm actually seeing that maybe you're not very comfortable with this version of yours, okay? Maybe this is a lot vulnerable, maybe this is a lot open, so you feel scared. There is an opportunity in the horizon where you will have to choose. This I'm seeing, okay? I don't know how comfortable you are about that choice, but you might have to choose, okay? That is there in the horizon, okay? But just remember one thing, that every choice has its repercussions and has its advantages also. So keep that in mind. Okay, you have to keep that in mind. And yes, the thing is, you should think about everything, every aspect before taking a decision. Let's see what is this decision about for you. Okay. Seven of Swords. Okay, maybe you've been running away from this decision. The Empress. All right. The Magician. Nine of Wands. Temperance. All right, so this could be a decision to do with a person, all right, where okay, there's a lot of hide and seek could have happened between the two of you, but now you know that it's here for a higher purpose and you'll probably have to choose. You'll probably have to choose. So I'm seeing that confusion there for sure, that, you know, you are probably looking at it from afar, but you're just not kind of being able to take that step to decide. All right, you're not sure, and it might disbalance your life a bit, which I see here. You are like just wanting to balance everything and just walk till the, I mean, okay, so till the time it's going, you want to keep it going. Okay, you are deferring this decision for a really long time, and I think this is to do with a lot of you. It is to do with a marriage, it is to do with a person. Okay, I think that is the thing. You miss being loved, or you miss being felt taken care of, or something like that, and you're still in that situation because the decision is very tough. That's what I am seeing from here. Alright, let's see. What else is this about? What does the universe want to say to you? Knight of Swords. Okay. Two of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles. Okay. So, I think sometimes you get that urge of, just doing it like right away. But then again, you get confused. You control yourself. The point is that you need to do certain things at the right time. Okay, whatever you're being guided towards is for your own happiness. Okay, it is for your own happiness, but probably your fears are very strong. Your fears are very strong, and that's the reason why you maybe are not able to take that decision towards your own happiness. You're not being able to love yourself enough. Okay, because you're not admitting that vulnerable side of yours. Okay. That's what I am seeing here. Let's see what else. Four of Cups. Yes, I mean, definite delays. You've just been delaying this thing because you're not able to accept it. You probably, okay, could be that you're scared of breaking hearts of people. I think so. Maybe there are other people here who might land up being hurt if you take a certain decision. So here's the thing. You have to decide now. Either you're this side of the story or you're on the other side. You have to decide. Because you've lived in this loneliness for a really long time and it can't go on anymore like this, right? Okay. Let me see what else does the universe want to say to you at this point. What should you do? The Emperor. Eight of Pentacles. Either this is calling for you to work with a particular person, like towards stability. This person could be a very fiery person, someone who's very stable in his life or her life. Let's see what else. The Devil. And you feel very strongly magnetized and pulled toward this person. Okay, this could be just general pull, could be sexual pull. I'm not even getting into what kind of a pull this could be, but I see a pull, okay, a very strong pull. Two of Wands. Should you do this? Let me see. What is the message do I get? You're just thinking about it from afar. This I'm seeing. Yes, you should do this because emotionally you connect here. The Moonlight, Queen of Cups, together giving me that vibe that, you know, you should pursue this, whatever this is. Okay, don't stop. That's what I'm picking up for you. Alright, pile number 2, I hope this reading resonated with you and gave you the clarity that you were seeking. You can follow me on Instagram, it's Mishi Blue Tarot Official. Let me know if you like 3-card readings that I do on Instagram. Maybe it will resonate with you, so you can check that out. Also, private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. And that's it. That's all that I have for you. Take care. I shall see you soon again. Bye. Okay. Alright, so let's move to pile number 3, whoever chose the Peach Moonstone. So here's the Peach Moonstone. Let's see what does the universe want to say to you right now. What are the messages that want to come through for you? Let's see. Here's the Peach Moonstone. So I have picked up a couple of oracle cards already today. So we'll just look into them as to what are the messages for you, and then I'll pick tarot cards. Encouragement. Winning, succeeding, victory, outcomes. The spark of hustle. Oh, wow. Embrace your power. Do what you love. Okay. Pile number 3. Just give me a minute. Okay. For a lot of you, this could be to do with your career. Pile number 3. Let me know. I'm seeing that there is a fight going on right now. Now, I don't mean a literal fight, but just a fight. Okay. When I say fight, it is basically things are not very easy for you right now. Okay. It might be going tough. But then the thing is that this is what you're meant to do. This is your calling. Okay. And you are doing it and you will win it. Okay. Because all your power, the center of your power is here. So you will win this. Okay, you will win this is what I'm seeing. The spark of hustle here is telling you it's whatever problems you're facing right now in terms of not being able to handle the situation, feeling alone, etc., etc. This is the spark of the hustle. Okay, it is required in, I mean, life without problems or any kind of an achievement which wasn't being worked hard upon is not worth it, because you will not feel the gratification after you get it. Okay, so this is an encouragement from the universe to you that don't stop, because you're meant to do this. Okay, you're meant to do this. You need to embrace, you are embracing what you're the best at and you're winning it. Okay, no matter what. All right, this is what you're meant to do. This is where your calling lies, and you're supposed to do it. I think your spirit guides or whoever you believe in, the higher powers, are supporting you in this. So there is nothing that you need to worry about at this point. You don't need to worry, because you will see, once you kind of are 30% into your journey, you will see that you are the best at this and there is no looking back. Okay, because it's not required for you to look back. I think right now you're just a little scared that whether you will get the fruits of your labor. We'll see what this is about. But don't feel scared. Let's see, what is this about? What does the universe want to tell us more? What is this about? Seven of Pentacles. Yes, this is to do with your work or something. Page of Swords. See, I think you want to do something, but people are not supporting you. Or somewhere, yeah, things that, I mean, maybe you expect some sort of a support from someone. This could be your parents or this could be your partner, and you're just not getting it. So you're keeping all of this to yourself. So here's the encouragement for you. You don't have to feel scared. Do it. Okay? Let's see, what else? The Judgment here. Okay, so definitely some sort of an epiphanical moment will happen when these people who are not supporting you or who you feel are not supporting you will get to know. Okay, and you will win this. We had this card of winning. And now I have the Nine of Wheels, which is the Nine of Pentacles. So you will get the financial stability, the security, or whatever you're seeking out of this, whatever is the definition of winning for you in this situation, you will get it. Okay? Let's see what else. What else does the universe want to say to you right now? Okay, what does the universe want to say to you right now? Nine of Cups. Yes, your wishes will be fulfilled. Whatever you have asked for, you will get it. Or maybe just ask more. Don't keep asking. I mean, don't stop asking. Okay, and keep working towards your goals, because it is manifesting for you. It is happening for you. All right? Don't stop working towards your goals. Yes. Even if it requires for you to multitask, don't shy away. Because sometimes you have to, this is your thing, okay? This is your determination that has got you here. Let's see, what else? Two of Cups. Yes, you will get to that point. You will get to that union, that achievement that you want. Okay? Right now, for a lot of you, if this is to do with your love life, then I'm seeing that right now is just a phase. Okay? It is a phase where you probably are not seeing anything, but it will come to fruition. Alright? Let's see. What else for pile number 3? What else for pile number 3? The Lovers. Stick your ground. I'm actually seeing that don't give up. That's all. Stick to your goals, stick to your dreams, and it will happen. Let's see what else. What else does the universe want to say to you? 7 of Cups. Okay. So this card here is telling me that you should try everything before choosing what you want. And it is not wrong if you've tried a lot of things. So if there are people out there who might be demeaning you for this, don't care. Okay? I'm seeing that you are checking out all your options. Probably you are just, you are seeing everything. You are scrutinizing everything. For a lot of you, maybe you've had a lot of relationships in the past which haven't worked out. But that's okay. Okay? Nothing can stop you from falling in love again. Okay? And for people whoever thinks that this is for your career, I'm seeing that yes, you might have tried a lot of things and you might not have succeeded, but this time you will succeed. Yeah, you could be a little clouded right now because of all this, but eventually you will get there. Because your heart desires this and you will get the abundance that you're seeking. You will get that abundance. Okay, pile number 3? Alright, so that's what I have for you. Let me know if this made sense and gave you the clarity that you were seeking. And you can follow me on Instagram. It's Mishi Blue Tarot Official. I do daily 3-card readings over there. Just in case if you're interested, let me know. And take care. I shall see you soon again. Bye.